9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff.
Beginning Petro. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Insight at speed is a friend indeed, and friends, we have left the pad and we're on our way to space. There on your screen is Electron rapidly climbing through Earth's atmosphere as it ascends over Launch Complex 1 with a fantastic daytime view from our cameras. Those 9 Rutherford engines at the bottom of the stage are about to power Electron through max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure. Let's listen in now.
Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
And there goes the call for max Q. Electron is performing nominally during this first stage burn. We're now hitting speeds of more than 22,000 kilometers an hour at more than 20 kilometers above Earth. Now, our next milestone coming up will be those staging events we talked about earlier. The first one is called MECO, or main engine cutoff, when those Rutherford engines at the bottom of the rocket power down completely.
Once that happens, the first and the second stages separate within a few seconds of MECO. Then, after that separation, the Rutherford engine on the second stage will ignite. So that's MECO, stage separation, and then second stage engine startup coming up very shortly at around T plus 2 minutes 40 seconds.
Stage 1 propulsion holding nominal. Stand by for MECO in roughly 30 seconds.
"15 seconds to staging. Entered burnout detect mode.
MECO confirmed. Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Stage 2 separation confirmed."
Beautiful work by Electron there. We are clear through MECO and stage separation, and there on your screen is the glow of the second stage Rutherford engine as it continues the mission on to its 470-kilometer orbital target. We're now at T plus 3 minutes into flight, traveling at speeds of more than 80,000 kilometers an hour.
Up next is fairing jettison. That's when Electron's nose cone separates and falls away. Keep an eye on the screen. We should hopefully see those 2 fairing halves fall past our engine camera.
Fairing jettison confirmed.
There they go, and that was the call out we were expecting. Fairing separation confirmed by Mission Control. Now we're counting down to hear nominal call-outs from the team, and the mission continues. All is on track for our next milestone, which will be the battery hot swap on the second stage to continue powering that Rutherford engine. That maneuver is expected to take place at around T plus 6 minutes 40 seconds into flight. So we've got a bit of time left for those current battery packs to continue doing their thing.
Stage 2 propulsion holding nominal.
The next major milestone we're expecting to see will be battery hot swap. Since Electron's second stage flight time lasts longer than the capacity of the first set of batteries, the rocket's flight computer will make the automatic switch to a fresh new set when it's time. Once the hot swap has happened, Electron will jettison the old dead battery packs that it no longer needs. You'll be able to see those disconnect in real time. They're the shiny silver packs on your screen there. The jettison happens quickly, so if you blink and you miss it, we should get a call out from Mission Control at the same time to confirm that action took place.
Guidance is nominal, 200 seconds remaining.
HEB discharge holding nominal, approaching hot swap in roughly 30 seconds.
Throttling down. Battery jettison confirmed.
Hot swap successful.
And there they go. Battery hot swap is successful and Electron's second stage engine is running on a fresh set of batteries. This new battery system will power the second stage all the way through to the end of its flight time, which will conclude with the shutdown of its engine and separation of the kick stage with the mission's payload. Now, still a couple more minutes of engine burn time to go. Otherwise, all looks nominal for Rutherford and the second stage. We're moving now at more than almost 18,000 kilometers an hour and around 193 kilometers above Earth.
AFTS as saved.
At T plus 7 minutes and 40 seconds into flight, everything is proceeding nominally for this mission. Operators in Mission Control continue to monitor the vehicle systems closely as we approach second stage cutoff and kick stage separation for the next phase of the mission. We're just a few minutes away from this milestone and the second stage is accelerating well, getting closer to the speed we need to enter orbit at around 27,000 kilometers per hour.
Right, we're coming up on the final actions for Electron's second stage now, with SECO just a few seconds away before we separate the kick stage with this mission satellite. What we're expecting to happen next is that we'll see the engine's red-hot nozzle start to cool with engine shutdown, and that will be our visual confirmation that SECO took place with no issues. Alongside the audio call-out we can expect from Mission Control at the same time. Now let's listen in for that call-out signaling we've cleared SECO and achieved kick stage separation.
SECO confirmed.
Nominal transfer orbit achieved. Stage separation confirmed.
Nice. That was a perfect nominal SECO and kick stage separation for this mission. Confirmed across the net.